Everyone, welcome back to Facts of Life, where we dive into the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful parts of the natural world. I'm Fact of Life, and today we're taking a journey into one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, the Amazon Rainforest. That's right, this place isn't just massive, it's teeming with life. From creatures that glow in the dark to snakes that can swallow a deer whole, the Amazon is home to some of the most fascinating animals on the planet. So get ready, because today's episode is packed with jaw-dropping facts about some of the Amazon's most incredible creatures. Let's jump right in. They're colorful, curious, and one of the most iconic birds in the rainforest, with a beak that's bigger than their head and a personality to match. I am talking about the toucan. 1. Their beaks are bigger than they look, and surprisingly light. A toucan's beak can be up to half the length of its body, but it's made of a honeycomb-like structure of keratin, making it very lightweight. Despite its size, it's not heavy at all, kind of like a bird carrying a foam sword. 2. Their beaks act like built-in air conditioners. Toucans regulate their body temperature by adjusting blood flow to their beak. When they're hot, they send more blood to the beak to release heat, a function similar to elephant ears. 3. Toucans love fruit, but they're not picky. Though mostly frugivorous fruit eaters, toucans also eat insects, small lizards, eggs, and even hatchlings from other birds' nests. They're opportunistic omnivores. 4. They sleep in very tight spaces. Toucans sleep in tree cavities. To fit into these small holes, they tuck their beak over their back and twist their tail forward, curling into a tight ball, a real bird pretzel. 5. Each toucan has a unique beak pattern. Much like fingerprints in humans, the coloration and markings on a toucan's beak are unique to each bird, making them visually distinct to each other and to researchers. 6. They're surprisingly loud. Toucans make frog-like croaks, grunts, or even barking sounds. Their voices carry far through the jungle despite not having strong vocal cords. Next we will be discussing is smaller than your thumb, but powerful enough to kill 10 grown men. The creature I am talking about is the poison dart frog. 1. Nature's neon warning. Poison dart frogs come in dazzling colors: blue, yellow, red, green, even black and white. These bright hues are a warning to predators. Don't eat me, I'm toxic. This is called aposematic coloration. 2. Their poison comes from their diet. Captive-bred poison dart frogs are not poisonous. Their deadly toxins come from their wild diet, mainly ants, mites, and other small invertebrates rich in alkaloids. No wild diet, no poison. 3. Just one frog can kill 10 men. The golden poison dart frog, Philobates terribilis, is the deadliest. One frog carries enough batrachotoxin to kill 10-20 humans or 2 African elephants. And there's no antidote. 4. Indigenous use of their toxins. Indigenous tribes in Colombia use the frog's poison to coat blowed darts for hunting, hence the name poison dart frog. The toxin can paralyze and kill prey almost instantly. 5. They're immune to their own poison. Scientists discovered that these frogs have mutated sodium channels in their nerve and muscle cells, making them immune to their own toxins. It's a built-in superpower. 6. Tiny frogs, giant families. Most poison dart frogs are less than 2 inches 5 cm long, but what they lack in size, they make up in parental care. Some species carry their tadpoles on their backs to safe water sources. Silent, powerful, and deadly. Hidden deep in the jungles of the Americas lives a predator so mysterious it was once worshipped as a god: the jaguar. 1. Strongest bite of all big cats. Jaguars have the most powerful bite relative to body size among big cats. Their bite force can crush turtle shells and even pierce the skulls of caimans. They often kill by biting directly through the skull, a method almost unique among big cats. 2. Only big cat that regularly hunts in water. Unlike lions or leopards, jaguars are excellent swimmers and actively hunt aquatic prey like fish, turtles, and even caimans. They've been seen diving and swimming long distances without hesitation. 3. Name means he who kills in a single bound. The word jaguar comes from the Tupi-Guarani word yaguarete, meaning true beast or he who kills with one leap. Their ambush-style hunting reflects this powerful reputation. 4. They're ecological engineers. Jaguars are apex predators that help maintain the balance of ecosystems by controlling the population of herbivores and smaller predators. Without them, ecosystems can become unstable. 5. Solitary, stealthy, and shy. Jaguars are elusive and rarely seen in the wild. They are nocturnal and solitary hunters who use stealth and cover rather than speed or stamina to take down prey. 6. They have an ancient spiritual legacy. In many Mesoamerican cultures, like the Maya, Aztec, and Olmec jaguars were sacred animals, representing power, the underworld, and the spiritual bridge between life and death. Some kings even took the name jaguar as a title. They're slow, they're sleepy, and they look like they're always smiling. I am talking about the amazing creature called the sloth. 1. They're so slow, algae grows on them. Sloths move so slowly that green algae grows directly on their fur, helping them camouflage in the trees. This isn't just gross, it's actually a mini ecosystem that benefits both the sloth and the algae. 2. Sloths only poop once a week, and it's dangerous. Once a week, a sloth climbs down from the safety of the trees to poop on the ground. This trip makes them vulnerable to predators, and yet they do it anyway. Scientists still debate why. Some think it may be to fertilize trees they rely on or for communication. 3. Sloths are the slowest mammals on Earth. A sloth moves only about 0.03 miles per hour. That's slower than a snail. Their slow metabolism is what keeps them alive. It's part of how they conserve energy. 4. They have enhanced durability. Despite being tree dwellers, sloths often fall from trees, sometimes from heights equivalent to a 10-story building, and walk away unharmed. Their bodies are built to absorb impact. 5. Sloths have the lowest metabolism of any mammal. Their metabolism is so slow, it can take up to a month to digest a single leaf. This is why they rest about 15 to 20 hours a day. Energy is precious. 6. Ancient sloths were the size of elephants. Sloths used to be giants. Megatherium, an extinct ground sloth, could grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 4 tons. These prehistoric giants roamed the Americas during the Ice Age. What do you get when you mix a tiny monkey with the beard of a German emperor? Let me introduce you to the bearded emperor Tamarin. 1. Royal name, royal looks. The bearded emperor Tamarin is named for its striking resemblance to Emperor Wilhelm II of Germany, thanks to its long white handlebar mustache and beard. It's basically the monkey version of a regal gentleman. 2. Tiny but mighty. These tamarins are only about 9 to 10 inches long, with tails that can be even longer, up to 15 inches. Despite their small size, they're incredibly agile and lightning fast in the trees. 3. Beard goals. Unlike the mustache, only Emperor tamarin. The bearded Emperor tamarin has an added luxurious white beard under its chin. Talk about facial hair fashion. 4. Tree ninjas. They rarely come down from the trees. Living in the Amazon rainforest canopy, they leap between branches with spider-like precision using their long tails for balance. 5. Monkey see, monkey eat. Their diet includes fruits, insects, tree sap, nectar, small frogs, and even bird eggs. They're opportunistic and love variety. Think of them as rainforest foodies. 6. Family first. Bearded Emperor tamarins live in tight-knit family groups, usually led by a dominant female. Surprisingly, males help raise the babies, often carrying them around while the mom takes a break. In the shadowy depths of the Amazon rainforest, where darkness reigns and mystery lurks, one predator reigns supreme: the black caiman. 1. The Amazon's apex predator. The black caiman is one of the largest and most powerful predators in the Amazon rainforest. They can reach lengths of up to 16.5 feet 5 meters, though some reports suggest individuals could grow even longer, making them larger than most crocodiles in the region. 2. Black and mysterious. As their name suggests, these caimans are mostly dark gray to black in color, which helps them blend seamlessly into the dark waters of the Amazon, making them incredibly difficult to spot. They're stealthy hunters, waiting for prey like fish, birds, and even mammals. 3. Massive bite force. The black caiman has one of the strongest bite forces of any reptile, capable of exerting over 700 pounds per square inch psi, stronger than a great white shark. This powerful bite allows them to crush bones, making them formidable hunters. 4. Mysterious and elusive. Despite their size and strength, black caimans are shy and elusive, often avoiding human contact. They prefer to stay in the deep, murky waters of the Amazon's rivers and lakes, only emerging at night to hunt, adding to their mysterious aura. 5. Adaptable survivors. While many species of crocodilians are limited by temperature, the black caiman can thrive in the warm waters of the Amazon basin and even tolerate the seasonal flooding, adjusting its behavior based on the changing environment. 6. Long-lived and slow growers. Black caimans grow slowly, taking decades to reach their full size. They can live for over 50 years, with some individuals reaching maturity in their 20s or 30s, which is pretty late in the reptilian world. And those were some wild and wonderful facts about the amazing creatures of the Amazon rainforest. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss more fascinating facts from the natural world. Got a topic you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.